Welcome back everyone, it's Sam from Tynker, and I'm here again with another special selection of community highlights for this week. First up we have Ninja Battle by Esteemed Railway. Checking out the code, we can see some when arrow pressed, in this instance, for the direction of the character, and some when I receive blocks as well. This is an awesome two-player platformer game where you and another player run through the map as ninjas and fight together. Next we have City Builder by Sarcastic Study. In Sarcastic Study's code, we can see a lot of set blocks for your inventory, switch to costume blocks, and when I receive blocks for adding your resources in the game. Gather your resources and build your own city. Next project we have is called Cool Hearts 2 by Euphoric Shampoo. In this code we see when I receive and forever blocks for the heart and the obstacles, and also broadcast blocks for the sound in the game. Jump over the spikes and use the blocks to succeed in reaching that high score. And last but not least, we have Target Shooting by Lavender Stuff. In this code, we can see a forever block for the movement of the targets, and when actor clicked block for when you click on the target and it hides, then reappears. Click these targets as fast as you can. Thanks for watching, and remember, you too can code cool projects like this on Tynker. See you next time!